Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Hammer Blade 3 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to bypass Screenlock protection on this device if you have forgot your PIN, your password. So firstly, you need to press and hold power button, then choose power off, wait a while, then press and hold together power button and volume up buttons. You will open the bootloader mode. So click on the volume up to choose recovery mode. Then click volume down to select it. Now press and hold power button, press and release volume down and release the power button. Now scroll down using the volume down button to wipe data and factory reset. Click power button, scroll down to factory data reset, click power button again, wait a while, and then press reboot system now. And wait a while, wait for about 5-6 minutes until your device will reboot. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.